Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Today, I have a story for you. It is called My Best Friend. It is about two boys, Tom and Ben. They are best friends, but something happens. Let's begin. Tom is a boy. He lives in a small village. His house is made of wood. It has a red roof and a small garden in front. Tom lives with his family. He has a father, a mother, and a little sister. His sister's name is Anna. Anna is 5 years old. She likes to follow Tom everywhere. Tom's father is a fisherman. He catches fish. Tom's mother takes care of the house and the garden. She grows flowers and vegetables. The garden has red tomatoes and yellow sunflowers. Tom helps his mother water the plants sometimes. The family is happy. Tom loves his village. It is small and quiet. There are rice fields, trees, and a river. The air is fresh, and the birds sing every day. In the morning, the sun shines bright. Tom likes to sit outside and listen to the sounds. He hears the wind in the trees and the water in the river. Tom likes this place because it is his home. Tom has a best friend. His name is Ben. Ben lives near Tom's house. Ben's house is bigger. It has a big mango tree in front. The tree is tall and green. Tom and Ben climb the tree sometimes. They eat sweet mangoes together. The mangoes are juicy and yellow. Ben lives with his parents and his grandmother. His grandmother is old and kind. She tells stories about the past. She talks about big storms and brave fishermen. Tom likes her stories a lot. He sits by her chair and listens for hours. Tom and Ben are friends for a long time. They meet when they are little. They play together every day. They run in the fields and chase butterflies. The butterflies are red, blue, and yellow. Tom and Ben try to catch them, but the butterflies fly away fast. They laugh and try again. They are happy because they are best friends. Every morning, Tom and Ben go to school. They walk on a small dirt road. The road goes past rice fields and houses. The walk is fun. They talk and laugh. Sometimes they see a frog or a bird. They stop and watch. At school, they sit next to each other. Their teacher is Mr. Lewis. He is nice. He says a good friend helps you learn. Tom and Ben help each other. They read books and write words. They learn numbers and draw pictures. Tom draws a fish. Ben draws a tree. School is easy with a friend. After school, Tom and Ben play. They go to the river. They throw stones in the water. They try to make big splashes. The water is cold and clear. Sometimes they catch small fish with their hands. The fish are silver and fast. They let the fish go and watch them swim away. Other days, they climb trees or run in the village. They race and laugh. They find a big hill and roll down it. The grass is soft and green. They play until the sun goes down. Then their mothers call Tom and Ben come home for dinner. They run home tired but happy. On weekends, Tom and Ben have more fun. They build a small house with sticks and leaves. They call it their secret place. Inside they sit and eat bread. Tom brings bread from home. Ben brings water in a bottle. They pretend they are explorers. They make up stories about big forests and hidden treasure. Tom says he finds gold. Ben says he sees a tiger. They laugh and eat. The secret place is their favorite spot. One day, something changes. Ben's mother comes to Tom's house. She looks serious. She says we are moving to another village. Tom hears this. He feels sad. His heart feels heavy. He asks why. Ben's mother says Ben's father has a new job. It is in the next village. We must go there. Tom looks at Ben. He says, when will you leave? Ben says in 2 weeks. He looks sad too. Tom says, I don't want you to go. Ben says, I don't want to go, but we have to. Tom cannot believe it. Ben is his best friend. They are always together. They share everything. They share food, games, and secrets. Now Ben will be far away. Tom feels like his happy days are ending. For 2 weeks, Tom and Ben stay together. They play their favorite games. They go to the river and the mango tree. They visit the secret place one more time. They sit inside and talk. Tom says, I will miss our adventures. Ben says, me too. They talk about everything. Tom tries to smile, but he feels sad inside. He does not want to say goodbye. The day comes. Ben's family packs their things. They put boxes on a cart. Ben stands next to the cart. He looks at Tom. He says, I will miss you. Tom tries to smile. He says, I will miss you too. Ben gives Tom a small wooden toy. He says, this is for you. Don't forget me. It is a little boat. Tom likes boats because his father is a fisherman. Tom holds the toy. He says, I will never forget you. The cart moves. Ben's family leaves. Tom watches them go. The road is empty. His best friend is gone. Tom walks home. He feels lonely. He holds the wooden boat tight. That night, Tom is quiet. He sits with the wooden toy. His father sees him. He says, you are sad, Tom. Tom says yes. Ben is gone. His father says you can still talk to Ben. Tom asks how. His father says, write him a letter. I will take it to his village when I go to the market. Tom likes this idea. He takes paper and a pencil. He writes a letter. It says, Dear Ben, I miss you. The village is quiet without you. I go to the river, but it is not fun alone. School is different too. I sit alone now. The secret place feels empty. When will you visit? Write to me, please. Your best friend, Tom. Tom's father takes the letter. He gives it to someone in Ben's village. A few days later, Tom gets a letter. He is so happy. He opens it fast. It says, Dear Tom, I miss you too. My new village is nice, but I have no best friend here. I go to a river, but it is not the same. I think about our secret place. I will visit soon. Write to me again. Your best friend, Ben. Tom smiles. Ben is far, but they are still friends. Every week they write letters. They tell stories about their days. Tom writes about the river and school. Ben writes about his new home and a big hill he climbs. Tom feels better. Letters keep their friendship alive. Months go by. One day, Tom's father says good news. Ben's family will visit next week. Tom is excited. He jumps up and down. He waits for the day. He cleans the wooden boat and puts it on his table. Finally, Ben comes. Tom runs to him. They hug. It feels like old times. They play all day. They go to the river and laugh. They visit the secret place and sit inside. Tom knows now distance cannot break true friendship. Ben says, I am happy to see you. Tom says, me too. You are my best friend forever. That is the story of Tom and Ben. They are best friends, even when they are far apart. Do you have a best friend? Maybe they live near you, or maybe they are far away. You can stay friends with letters, calls, or messages. Friendship is about caring, not about being close every day. Thank you for listening to this story on English Listening Journey. Did you like it? Please like, share, and subscribe for more stories. Practice your English with us every week. See you in the next video. Bye.